You can forget your good dreams after some time, but the nightmares that scared you for a long time, you can never forget. So, hello everyone, it's me Nandini, and today I'm going to tell you about one of my nightmares. So, have you ever heard about nightmares? The frightening dreams that usually wakes you from sleep are called nightmares. So usually I watch nightmares only. I don't get good dreams very easily. And also whenever I get good dreams, definitely some strange things happens in it. So since childhood, I had a great fear from road accidents. I don't know why, but I was very afraid to cross roads. So just because of this fear, I didn't want to go on roads or to travel by any vehicle. Even if I heard that someone is going anywhere, I just thought that the person come back safely. But after many difficulties, I overcame from my this fear. I used to say myself that why are you scared? Maybe you were a child and that's why you were afraid to cross roads. But now you have grown up, so don't be scared. So after some time, I overcame from this fear. But after some time, an incident brought my this fear back. As far as I remember, that my fear from road accidents was over in 2019. I was uh, I was in 6th standard, but after 3 years in 2022, I think it was ending of 2022. Winter months were going on, and one night I watched a very horrible nightmare. And in the starting of the nightmare, a function was taking place in my house, and I was very happy. And I had invited my friends, so we were enjoying the function. But we had to go to our classes in the evening, so my friends returned to their houses. And then my mother came and asked me to come with her, that she is going to pick her sister. So I thought that it was a lot of time for our classes, so I went with my mother. So when we reached that place where she was waiting, I just stuck there. Me and my mother was coming from a small road, and where the road ends, there was in just in front of that road, there was a very broad highway, and my mother's sister was waiting in the corner of road. So my mother got busy to talk with her sister, but I was just standing at the place and just looking at the highway, and many thoughts were coming in my mind. And the thoughts were that I came to that place and I was crossing that highway, and a truck came and hit me. And then my mother came and took my hands and asked me that what are you doing, you don't have to return to our home. I was unable to think or say anything. So because my mother was holding my hands, I took 2 or 3 steps, and suddenly I started crying and started saying that I did here. But they both, my mother and her sister, was said to me that what are you saying? Just let's go to our home quickly. So I returned to my home, and when I reached my home, it's time for my classes. So I got ready for my classes and I was going to my coaching. But I don't know how I started to going to that highway, and in the way I also passed from the front of my coaching. Our coaching was not open, so students were waiting outside the coaching. My friends were also standing there, so they asked me that where are you going, come here. So I replied to them, yes, I'm coming, I had a work, so I am coming in some time. So I continuously going to that highway, and I reached to the and after some time I reached to that place. And also in the corner of that road, I also met with our teacher Naveen sir, and he also asked me that what are you doing here, it's time for your classes. So I replied to him that yes sir, I'm going to the coaching only, so you go, I'm coming, I had a work. But I also didn't know that what work I had. So then I went somewhat closer to that highway, and the thoughts were coming again and again in my mind. And suddenly the same things started happening with me. I started crossing that highway, and the truck came and hit me. And then suddenly I woke up from that nightmare. and just because I saw myself that I did many times in one dream, so I was very scared. And the point was that I saw that the same nightmare 5 to 6 times. So I think I was too younger, so I again started scaring from going on the roads. So as I mentioned that I usually watch nightmares only, but I think that this nightmare was my the worst and horrible nightmare, because this nightmare brought my childhood fear back. So that's all about my most horrible nightmare. Thank you.